So one of the things I realized, because I thought that I was being chased around for at least a decade according to the things that I had seen, and recognizing that someone had been identifying who I was, identifying signals and symptoms about who I was, and then making what you would call copies of reflections of things that you would see in my life. Kind of like my personality. You know, there's a series of narcissists running around that are basically understand that I've got some spiritual gifts, and they're trying to copy me, copy my personality, and do weird stuff. It sounds fucking nuts, but this is what the devil likes to do: steal, kill, and destroy. They also like to mimic creatures of light because they want to steal powers from them. And so if you find that there's people running around copying you, trying to figure out how to steal stuff from you, like maybe your personality or your gifts, you got to get the fuck away from them. And so what I realized is that there's actually a couple people out there, and I realized I was attracted to both of them because one of them looks like one of my girlfriends were late, and another one was a childhood friend. You hear all this shit?